I don't care.
Bad boys, what you want, what you want, what you gonna do when Chevy John Brown come for you?
I don't care.
Tell me what you wanna do, what you gonna do?
I don't care.
Yeah. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? When you were 8 and you had bad traits, you go to school and learn the golden rule. So why are you acting like a bloody fool? If you get hot, then you must get cool. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you?
I don't care.
Lovely girl. There was a time where the hair was receding so swiftly. Big, greasy-looking, smooth spot. Ridiculous.
For real.
Most of the stage plays on Broadway are dirty, and I think it's all wrong. Something about sex that, that you have to get up so early in the morning. You and your morning stuff. That's why you missed the train last week. Well, I'm not interested in that. I don't care what they're doing in the sack. If there was a party and there were 4 women and 4 men there, the men would probably go into another room and tell dirty stories to see how funny you can be.
Oh, hell no.
It's too easy, that kind of laughter. Anybody can say something dirty and get a laugh.
For real.
I don't tell dirty stories.
So the most important thing you gotta remember is, okay, so some people were, they were doing some stuff, and then the other people were like, hey, don't do that stuff, and then other people were like, hey, yeah, they should do, that stuff. It's good that they're doing that stuff, and then the other people were like, I don't think they should be doing that stuff, and then they're doing, so things are like, oh my god. What I'm trying to say is that in conclusion, I have no idea.
Y'all, welcome back to America's Got Talent. Let's welcome our next performer. Here to play with his puppet, the Puppet Man.
So, where are you from?
I don't care.
Let's hear what you've got.
Subcolor said I needed to let my turtles loose, that I didn't know how to take care of turtles. I know how to take care of turtles. Turtles are very easy to take care of. I feed them turkey breast, and ham. And I actually find the turkey and the ham in Dollar General's dumpster.
I don't care.
This is BOYT News, and we have reports of UFOs in San Diego. Here to tell us more is the Puppet Man. This is BOYT, where we ask questions about the BOYT. Welcome our guest, Noodles, Rich Life, and the Puppet Man. Our first question is, who is easily triggered in the BOYT?
Milton John.
That is correct. Our next question is, what do BOYT women love?
My Big Johnston.
That is correct. And our final question is, will Rich Life quit YouTube?
I don't care.
I'm sorry, that's the wrong answer. Join us again for BOYT, where we ask questions about the BOYT.
I don't care.
Shut the fuck up.
I don't care.
Comma, comma, down, doobie-doo, down, down.
I don't care.
Comma, comma, down, doobie-doo, down, down.
I don't care.
Breaking up is hard to do. Don't take your love away from me. Don't you leave my heart in misery. If you go, then I'll be blue. 'Cause breaking up is hard to do. Remember when you held me tight and you kissed me all through the night. Think of all that we've been through, and breaking up is hard to do.
I don't care.
You can't fool me with your phony flattery. I know your type.
I don't care.
You're the type who thinks that women are just toys.
I don't care.
You'll never possess my body, you rigatoni Romeo.
I don't care.
I have scruples. You know, I don't trust any man. You're all designing and devious.
I don't care.
Not after what Jimmy Stewart did to me. I am the woman who made his career possible. Do you know, ladies and gentlemen, that when we walked together, my bosom swelled with pride.
I don't care.
You oversexed animal! What do you think I am? An animal? A beast? A creature who crawls in the night?
I don't care.
See that girl over there? If I had her in my house, I would put a $20 bill on the table, take off her blouse, and I would take off her bra. And what a time I could have.
I wish they all could be California. I wish they all could be California. I wish they all could be California girls.
Hey there, Puppet Man. You've been watching them skater chicks on the boardwalk. By the way, Holly said she's coming, and it ain't gonna be no dance in the park. She's coming for you.
You dumb fuck.
For real.
Die you fucking bat, die you fucking bat. Here we go. And I have 44 Google numbers blocked on my fucking phone. You dumb fuck.
It's probing time.
Just a simple touch and it can set you free. We rush when you're alone with me.
Oh, behave.
Coming, I feel it coming, babe. I feel it coming. I feel it coming, babe. I feel it coming. I feel it coming, babe. I feel it coming. I feel it coming, babe. For so long, you and me been finding each other for so long.
Shut the fuck up.
And the feeling that I feel for you is more than stronger. Take it from me. If you give a little more than you're asking for, your love will turn the key. Darling mine,
Shut the fuck up.
I would wait forever for those lips of wine. Build my world around you, darling. This love will shine, girl. Watch it and see. If you give a little more than you're asking for, your love will turn the key.
Shut the fuck up.
I just wanna be your everything. Open up the heaven in your heart and let me be the things you are to me, and not some puppet on a string.
Shut the fuck up.
If I stay here without you, darling, now and night, I want you laying in the love I have to bring. I'd do anything to be your
Now, who's the dummy?
I don't care.
Boy, and I thought the Federal Hill Bakery had nice buns.
Oh, you're talented, Denise.
Everybody knows that I'm hog wild.
I don't care.
Everybody knows that I'm hog wild.
I don't care.
Everybody knows that I'm hog wild.
I don't care.
Everybody knows that I'm hog wild.
I don't care.
The summer wind came blowing in from across the sea. It lingered there to touch your hair and walk with me. All summer long we sang a song, and then we strolled that golden sand. Two sweethearts and the summer wind, like painted kites, those days and nights, they went flying by. The world was new beneath a blue umbrella sky. Then softer than a piper man, one day it called to you. I lost you to the summer wind.
I don't care.
Now I'm getting angry. You fucking hypocrite. Well, vlogger, if I'm so boring, then take your old ass and stream in front of 5 people. How about that?
That's life.
That's life.
That's what all the people say.
You whiny little bitch.
You're riding high in April, shot down in May.
How about that?
But I know I'm gonna change that tune.
I owned his fucking ass.
When I'm back on top in June.
Take your old ass, your geriatric ass out of here, vlogger, and fucking stream in front of 5 to 10 people and call it fucking walking down the beach and hello from the train and fuck you.
I said that's life.
That's life.
And as funny as it may seem, some people get their kicks stomping on a dream.
How does it feel that I fucking owned your fucking ass? You fucking wannabe alpha male got slapped around by a fucking alpha bitch. Like me or fucking not.
For real. I've been a puppet, a pauper, a pirate, a poet, a pawn and a king. I've been up and down and over and out. And I know one thing. Each time I find myself laying flat on my face, I just pick myself up and get back in the race.
You whiny little bitch.
Noodles, you're a piece of shit on YouTube. No one likes you. They think you're stupid. You are a piece of shit, Noodles.
Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, there's a land that I heard of once in a lullaby. Somewhere over the rainbow, skies are blue, and the dreams that you dare to dream really do come true.
I don't care. I don't care. I don't care.
We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Here he is, the Wizard of a Wiz, if ever a Wiz there was. If ever a Wiz there was, the Wizard of Oz is one because of the wonderful things he does. We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz.
Called my number.
I don't care.
You son of a motherfucker. Okay, so what?
I don't care.
What?
I don't care.
How you like me now? How you like me now? You call people's houses?
I don't care.
You sick, you nasty son of a bitch. You are a murderer. You're a hater.
I don't care.
You are a nasty human being.
How you like me now? How you like me now?
Don't you know what they do to us turkeys on Thanksgiving?
No.
They eat us for dinner.
Oh my gosh.
Somebody ought to say something. Like what?
How about
Don't stuff that turkey. Don't stuff, don't stuff that turkey. It's almost that time of year that us turkeys always fear. Close your windows, lock your doors. Watch out for those carnivores.
They'll come to where we congregate, catch you and decapitate. They'll carve you up on a dish, crack your bone and make a wish.
They'll cram stuffing up your butt. Dry cornbread with chopped walnut. Jam your giblets and kidney right down your neck cavity. We're cooked at 350 degrees
And served with sauce from cranberries.
Hang decorations on the wall. They can kiss my butter balls. Don't stuff that turkey. Don't stuff. Don't stuff that turkey.
Say my name.
The toughest motherfucker on YouTube.
You're goddamn right.